welcome to our channel Haunted Arts. We all know that Deepavali is coming and it's festival of lights. So we decided to make a diya. We'll not make this diya out of clay or anything. We'll make this diya out of lemon shell. You're wondering what type of it will be. So see it. It's a very cute looking lemon shell diya. So I have made some of them before only. You can see them. Now for making a lemon shell diya, first take a lemon, cut it into two parts. Okay, cut it into two parts. Okay, then what we will do? Take one part. Okay, take the half part, and then you can see the shape and this all. Then invert it. See. Some juice tray will come out when you will try to invert it. But properly invert it so that it seems like a bowl. Okay. So, and after inverting, you can see some peels. I am taking out the peels. Take out all the peels and then you will find this. You will get a smooth surface. Okay. So guys, our one diya is ready. Now we will take the another part of the lemon and we will do the same as we have done this one. We will invert it and take out all the peels. We will clear everything in the inner part of the lemon so that it forms a smooth surface. Okay. Guys, our both the diyas are ready. Okay. So I am showing you the parts. The yellow part is the outer part and the white part is the inner part. Okay. Now you will find this. You can see the bundle of cotton strips. You will find it in every puja retailer shop. You can go there and ask for it. You will find it because it is available in every shop. Okay. So I am taking one strip and I will cut it in two parts. You can tear it also. I am tearing it. Then I will make a cotton ball. You know how to make a cotton ball out of strip. I am showing it also. Sorry. Such a cute cotton ball is ready now. I will keep it. I will make you can make it with cotton also. If you don't get any cotton strips in the retailer shops or you live outside India, so you can make this out of cotton. Okay. So I'm taking cotton and I will make it. It's very easy guys. You can make it very quickly. So if you live in India, you will get these cotton balls in the puja shop. But if you live outside India, so please make it out of cotton because you will not get it out of India. If you are Bengali, then you will know that this is called solte or polte, both are same. But if you don't know, so I am telling you, it is called solte. If you go into any puja shops, so please go there and you can see solte. And if you live outside India, then make it out of cotton. Okay. Now both the cotton balls are ready. So for lighting the diya, we will take mustard oil. You can take any oil for lighting the diya, but mustard oil is also good. You can take ghee ka tel, you can take any oil, you can take refined oil. It's according to you. Anything you can take. Okay, you can take olive oil. So first we will put the cotton ball. The round part will be inside. Now we will pour the mustard oil. Now we are soaking the solte with our fingers with the oil. Now we'll pour little more oil in the diya. Now it's ready for lighting. For lighting the diya, I am taking matchsticks. Now we will take another matchstick. Woo! Our diya is ready. We have lighted our diya and it's ready for Diwali. It's looking so beautiful now. So guys, wish you a happy Diwali. Stay at home, stay safe and stay healthy.